Mother Ginger alive, but now that she's gone, we're utterly defenseless. I don't understand. You see, once we were lifeless toys, mere playthings for children. Then your mother arrived and changed everything. She gave us life. How? With this. The engine. This is my mother's invention. Yes. The engine made us real. Well, now we have feelings, just like you have. Happiness, sadness, anger, love, fear.
There's plenty of that going around.
You're right, sweet captain. Our spies tell us that Mother Ginger is on the warpath, gathering all her forces. The engine is the only way that we can build an army to defend ourselves. But it doesn't work. If we can't get it to work again, then all is lost. Perhaps I'll fix it. It's not broken. We're simply missing the key. Key? The key! We searched hither and yon throughout the kingdom. I fear your dear mother must have taken it with her. But she never returned.
I meant on that. Shuffler, look. This was a present from my mother. The locks match. It must be the same key.
This key of which you speak. Where is it?
That horrible little mouse took it.
Mouse rings? He's diabolical.
That means that Mother Ginger has it. Oh. Pooh. Then we can't make the army and we'll be annihilated.
Unless we can bring the key back.
Get it back.
I'd go to the fourth realm.
Oh no. It's too dangerous.
I came here to find that key.
Clara, you're not going back there.
This must be why my mother sent me here. I can't let Mother Ginger destroy everything she created.
We were lucky to escape with our lives the last time. Mother Ginger's more dangerous than you know.
I must get that key.